what have we done? If your antics is to try and turn on the same system, the status quo. Get out of the way. The system that existed did not work for all of Hawaii. Did not work for most in the world. Transformation, this sweat, this intensity, this grasping for breath, that's the level of work and commitment we must dedicate to change. The last set of dances, the little flirtatious one. We're enticing. New growth. Let us birth new ideas. Yeah? And once you get that idea, once you get that idea, that's sliding, that's rubbing, we're making the fire. Let's invigorate. Hi'a. Let's ignite. But let's not ignite the same old. Eia no kawao kahulihia. This is that time of transformation. We conjure, we bring this energy, this vela, this heat of the pele, no kane hoalani, that which inspires kupu. Our dancers, their pu'o, their headlays are adorned with kupu. Abundant growth. That's what we need. Mahalo nui ya o ko'apau to all the many vendors joining us on this beautiful morning, to all of the staff and all of the volunteers of Hāmākua Harvest, Neki Aloha Nui, to all of us from Nakamahiai, to all of us from the farmers, and to every Aloha Aina, everyone who stands for the protection of Aina, with protection from the summit of our mountains to the depths of our oceans, our fresh water, our clean air, kupa akako, eia no kawa, mai maka'u holomua. Let us not fear, let's move forward. Eia no kapule no keia mokua Hāmākua. Set this prayer from here, Hāmākua, the breath of the Akua, to bring life into every intention. Yora no kako, ela mai kai, have a beautiful, blessed day. Oya. Mai kapiko ka mokua, mana wange ai tara na wa, uitana e mai na wa mai le, polo hei ke kan, o ki hapu. Hāmākua ku home kulai vinei, he mahi mo halao na kualani. Hāmākua ki hilo, ki hene lewa, pahi pana o lilo, e ulu na kanu o kaina e. Mai te akua, mai te kino hilo, ana pua ka mau kaina ne. E ola mau e. Mana kuno.